In this video, you're going to learn how to configure SSL VPN to allow a remote user to safely connect to a FortiGate protected network while enforcing the FortiGate security policies for this user. An SSL VPN tunnel allows users to remotely access a network or the internet, requiring their traffic to pass through the FortiGate unit and enforcing the use of antivirus software. It can grant extra security to remote users accessing the web, or allow employees to access a corporate network while working from home or traveling. First, you'll need to create the SSL VPN tunnel that remote users will connect to. Go to VPN SSL Portal. Edit the Full Access portal, which allows the use of both tunnel and web modes. Enable tunnel mode and assign an IP pool. Do not enable split tunneling, so that all SSL VPN user traffic passes through the FortiGate and is filtered by the security profiles. Enable web mode and configure the options as you like. Enable Include Bookmarks and select Create New. Add a bookmark for a remote desktop connection with the appropriate local IP. Next, create a remote user and add them to a group. Go to the user definition page and create an account with a password. Then go to the user group page and create an SSL VPN connections group that contains the user that you created. Then go to the address list in Firewall Objects. Create a local LAN address with the local subnet and local port interface. You will need to create two security policies to allow both internal network and internet access. First, create the internal VPN policy. Set the subtype to SSL VPN, the incoming interface to your internet-facing interface, and the local interface to your internal port interface. Use your local LAN address for the local subnet. Create a new authentication rule that includes your SSL VPN user and group using the Full Access portal. Next, create the Internet Access policy for SSL VPN users. Select SSL VPN Tunnel Interface for the incoming interface and your internet-facing interface for outgoing. Set the SSL VPN tunnel address as source address and configure the rest as normal. Lastly, configure the SSL portal to verify that the remote user has adequate and compliant antivirus software. Go to the dashboard, and in the CLI console, enter these commands. Config VPN SSL web portal, edit full access, set host check AV, end. From a browser, navigate to the SSL VPN portal IP and log in with the user account. The FortiGate unit will perform the host check for antivirus. After it completes, the portal page will appear. Select the remote desktop session bookmark to begin the RDP connection and access the internet. Alternately, from the SSL portal page, select Connect in the Tunnel Mode widget. Once it connects, select the remote desktop bookmark again to access the internal network. In FortiOS, you can visit the SSL VPN monitor to see connected SSL users and their connection type, and you can filter source interface in the forward traffic log to see internal and internet traffic from SSL users. Thank you for watching. If you need further details, you can visit docs.fortinet.com at any time to access Fortinet's complete documentation library.